this is your director Sajid Khan and I present to you
First time ever.
For the first time ever, the history of Bollywood.
You'll watch the entire making of my latest film Houseful.
You.
Only in high definition.
3 months in advance.
3 months before it release.
Only on BollywoodHungama.com.
All our masti,
All our mehnat, madness.
Will make this blog
a new, innovative blog.
houseful.
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 सवेरे मनूफ का चेहरा देखना तो फार्म तक मैयत पक्की समझो।
चल सड़कों पे होगी ठन 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 ठन।
He came, he smiled and danced, and he conquered hearts. Bollywood Hungama celebrated the birthday of the very fabulous Shahid Kapoor amongst his fans at this very exclusive meet and greet. Shahid really knows how to win his fans' hearts, and this just proves it.
Can you please pretend to ask me out? Please. My name is Monica.
Hi Monica.
No, it's...
I have to ask all of you out. I know I'm a Kamina and Badmash, but this is pushing the limits, yeah.
Are you a one-woman man? So you can just ask me out and all the while fast. It's my dream. Just a bit of pretend.
Okay, yeah. What do you want me to say?
Okay, please on your knees too.
What do you want me to say? I'm on my knees.
You have to ask me out.
How do I? कैसे बोलते हैं यार? Help कर थोड़ी. अरे हाथ मत जोड़ यार. ऐसे मम्मी से बात करते हैं. लड़कियों से ऐसे बात नहीं करेंगे. इधर आओ मेरे से. इधर आ जाओ मेरे साथ. Help करो. अभी जो बोलोगे मैं repeat करूँगा. बोलो. हाँ. आगे क्या?
Am I so bad looking that you have to ask?
You're beautiful.
You're flirting now.
देखो मैं सूरज भजाते का शरीफ प्रेम हूँ और इस तरह की चीज़ें मैं नहीं कर सकता बट थैंक यू वेरी मच इट इज़ वंडरफुल टू मीट यू ऑल एंड आई नो आई एम ऑन माई नीज एंड यूर ऑल वंडरफुल गर्ल्स एंड आई होप दैट वी गो फॉर कॉफी वन डे इनके मम्मी पापा मुझे मत मानना और अगर बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड है तो इसमें मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है।
Shahid spent a whole lot of amazing time interacting with his fans.
In that future, can we see again Guddu and Charlie coming in part 2? And which character did you like, Guddu or Charlie?
It's really a very very special film for me. बहुत मेहनत की थी हम लोगों ने और बहुत डरे हुए थे।
I know sir, I really like your character.
Thank you man. Me and Vishal have been talking about doing Kamine 2, but sequel का हमेशा यही होता है कि सिर्फ इस वजह से क्योंकि पहली वाली सक्सेसफुल हो गई थी सीक्वल बनाए ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए फिर आई एम श्योर कुछ ना कुछ जरूर वर्कआउट होगा एंड वी विल डू इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चूज बिटवीन चार्ली एंड गुड्डू हियर आई थिंक बोथ कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर चार्ली टू बी कंप्लीट विदाउट गुड्डू और गुड्डू टू बी कंप्लीट विदाउट चार्ली आई थिंक चार्ली वाज समबडी हु फिजिकली वाज समथिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू डू गुड्डू वाज क्लोजर टू माय पर्सनल अपीयरेंस गुड्डू में मुश्किल चीज ये थी दैट ऑल्दो ही लुक्ड लाइक मी and he was not very different from me physically, but he was still a different person. In fact, we met a lot of people who are stammerers, and you know, when we met them, we actually realized that they are proud to be the people that they are. So we didn't want to make fun of it at any point. So that's why Guddu was very very different.
And do you have any resolution for your birthday this year?
I think for me this year is going to be the year of being a student. I'm only going to do one film, and that too with my father. You know, whenever I have my films on release, I call my dad to see them. Most of them. Sometimes I decide to avoid. कि डैडी आप मत देखिए प्लीज ये बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया ये आप मत देखिए. But most of the films I call him to see. But when I called dad to see it, suddenly I started seeing a lot of mistakes in my performance. You know, I was like, नहीं यार ये scene ठीक नहीं हुआ. Oh God, ये dad ने क्यों देख लिया? Because his caliber as an actor is so high that my best is not good enough and probably might not ever be good enough. So this year for me is going to be a year where I want to become a student as an actor. This is the film where I don't know my job and I want my father to teach me. So this year is going to be that process for me. So maybe that's how I'll begin the year.
I would just want you to accept this small gift I have brought for you.
Thank you so much. That's so kind.
Please, I want you to open it now.
Oh, you want me to open it right now? Isn't it supposed to be rude to open it in front of... You know, when I was a kid, I used to do this. You know, when birthdays happen, kids are always playing with kids. And all these friends of my mom used to come and, hello, hi. So my mom used to call me and I used to come running. And they'd be standing with the gift. And I'd say, hi. And I'd take the gift and I'd run away. And then I'd go in the room and I'd open it. And my mom used to be extremely embarrassed. So I've been taught and I've been fired and sometimes whacked on my butt also for not opening a gift in front of the person who's given it. Are you sure you want me to open it?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe later? Maybe...
Yeah.
Okay. Because if mama sees the show, I'll be in trouble.
I'm your fan since this Krish, and all my friends knew that. So they would literally tease me that, you know, like, Shahid is only a chocolate boy, he can only good lover boy roles.
What is the meaning of chocolate boy? I really want to know.
I don't know.
Because I keep hearing this about. What is chocolate boy? Why not vanilla boy? ये cute और chocolate का क्या connection है यार? Chocolate cute होता है. Chocolate तो खाने में मीठा होता है यार. उसमें cute का क्या connection है? Sweet looking.
Yeah, but after Jab we met at Kameen and now Badmaash Company, I very proudly say that he's not a chocolate boy.
And now I'm a bad boy. They like that.
Can be the serious Aditya or Jab we met. You are Kameena and now you are also Badmaash. I'm really proud of that.
I'm glad that you're proud of me being a Kameena. I'm really glad.
One question to ask you: how are your guitar lessons going, and which is the one song you want to play when you're done with it?
There are 2-3 things which I always wanted to do but never had the time to do it. I wanted to learn how to click pictures because I think pictures make the best memories. And I have so many people who mean so much to me in my life. When they look into the lens, they're not actually looking into the lens, they're looking at me. And I want to capture that moment of what they feel for me in their eyes. Second thing I wanted to do was learn how to cook. Because I think the time has come that we men must accept the fact, no, it's a woman's world. Kabhi bhi order mil sakta hai, and the third thing that I wanted to do was learn how to play a musical instrument. And I think I just love the guitar. I think it is something which you can carry around with you anywhere and you can jam anywhere. Unfortunately, my brother started learning 1.5 months before me, Ishan, and he started playing really well. So now I have this whole elder brother having to prove himself situation in my life right now where I have to do better than him. Yeah, he's my younger brother, and but he's been teaching me. And there are a lot of songs maybe that I'd want to play.
She said you're a chocolate boy, so chocolate is considered like when you're low, when you're sad. If you eat a chocolate, you be in a good mood, you are happy. So for me as an individual, if I'm sad, chocolate doesn't work. Shahid Kapoor works.
Sweet, thank you.
How many tweets do you get from your fans?
I mean, sometimes in 10 minutes, if I go back and I check, I have 500-600 tweets. And I must confess that a lot of them bring a big smile on my face because it's really a direct connect with all of you.
What make you passionate while doing role?
Yeah, I think, first of all, and I don't say this for effect, this is the reality of my life. I was a nobody. My parents separated when I was 3. So I stayed in Delhi with my mom. And I came to Bombay when I was 10. And I had no clue about films and Bollywood, nothing. I didn't know anything about it. I used to live in rented houses all my life. And I had a very middle class life where your brain is usually functioning about, yaar, abhi agle mahine kaise, how do you have to do things? Or I was in college, I was in school, I was thinking about my education, I have to pass this exam, I used to never study, I used to be bad at studies. So life went on like that. Over a period of time, falling in love with films and falling in love with cinema. And then I had this dream कि यार एक दिन मैं हीरो बनूंगा. It was a dream. It wasn't a reality. It wasn't not like I said कि बस मैं हीरो बनूंगा और मैं अंकल को फोन करूंगा और अंकल 20 करोड़ रुपए लगा देंगे और मुझे लॉन्च कर देंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was a dream. And I knew that even in today's time, sitting in Bombay, if you tell your dad, मुझे हीरो बनना है, you'll probably get a slap on your face and say, come back to reality, beta. That's probably what will happen. And my father was always working in serials, and he was not like a Hindi film hero that he's going to give me one big launch. He wasn't like that. He was always doing television and doing films, but he was playing characters. And he's always done the work he's believed in. You know, my father actually told me that he's actually spent a birthday sitting in Prithvi Theatre, and he's cut a tomato instead of a cake and sung happy birthday to himself. But didn't do the films he didn't believe in. So, I mean, he's that kind of a man, and so I have huge respect and love for him, not just as a son, but as somebody who has the conviction to do the kind of work that he does. Probably I'm one of 10 million people who get that opportunity, and God was kind enough to give me a film which became successful the first time round. So I think I'm just extremely grateful for the fact that I am where I am, and I got that opportunity, and that first opportunity happened to become successful, and I'm doing what I love. So when somebody said that if you do what you love, you will never have to work for another day for the rest of your life. So I mean, what more can I ask for?
Bollywood Hungama News Network.